Hi everyone, very good morning. Greetings of the day. So you are completed your second PUC examination, class 12th examination successfully. Almost one or two exams left for many students. Now it's time for everybody the coaching of KCET as well as Comet K. How this is important for you, KCT and Comet K, whatever score you got in the previous examination, but this is the turning point. This 1.5 month is very important for you. So I hope everybody you can take the crash course, KCET and Comet K crash course. So it is more and more useful, dear student. This 1.5 month, whatever effort you can keep in your studies, that will leads to you very good engineering college. When you got very good engineering college, you will get very good job. So this 1.5 month is crucial for your life. So please concentrate who are going for KCET, Comet K and NEET, especially for NEET. Dear students, so take the crash course, very important. So my suggestion to everybody, this time you cannot depending only on one. Go to the regular college classes and also extra coaching also you can take. It is useful for you because, well, for board only you are taking sometimes extra. So why not KCET and Comet K? This is also very important. So dear students, so in this 1.5 month, whatever time you are spending, my suggestion, 30 questions each subject every day. Physics, chemistry, maths, biology, 30 30 30 30 4 into 30 questions you can solve. Definitely you will get very good marks in KCET. I wish you all the best. For crash course KCET, Comet K and NEET, please contact to my number 9538956838. I will help you. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best.